Today is an improvement.
Man.
Tomorrow will be an improvement, but that's how this works. When we've
Yeah.
got Arctic air and we start tangling with this polar vortex and the branch of the jet stream that comes out of the polar regions of the planet, the cold air tends to kind of come down, you get a chunk of it, and then it backs off again or dumbbells around. And I'm looking at the latest data that comes in, and these charts that are coming into the weather office right now are based on the balloon launches that went up at around 7 o'clock tonight. And it is suggesting that things are on track to get brutally cold this weekend. We could have temperatures falling into the single digits Friday afternoon, but the wild card is how much of that cold air gets entrenched and where a southern storm system that could bring a crippling ice storm to the south and maybe bring us several inches of snow will unfold. That's still to be determined. We definitely have the cold air, but it's backing off right now. In fact, the temperature is at 24 degrees there at our camera at UIndy, and at Victory Field, the temperature is at 22. That's not a great number, but it is an improvement as some mid and high level clouds begin to approach tonight. When we have a lack of cloud cover in January, you typically get some very cold nights. We've had quite a bit of cloud cover this month. We've had 2/3 the normal. But last night we were clear and our temperatures got awfully cold. The coldest numbers we've had here in darn near 6 weeks. Now, we will see some more cloud cover tonight, and the temperatures will not get as cold as the lows we had this morning, like 0 out west in Judson, Lafayette, Marion, Summit Lake in Henry County went to 3 below. And yes, this is a time of the year that it gets brutally cold. Yesterday was the date 32 years ago that we set the all-time coldest for the city. In 1985, it went down to 22 degrees below zero on this date, but even more impressive is that on that particular day, the high temperature was only 11 degrees below zero. That was the high for the day, the coldest high temperature on record. And at that time, when calculated, the wind chill went to 52 degrees below zero. We had a frigid start this morning. Again, the coldest it's been in weeks, but at this hour, we're trending up by 15, 16 degrees. No bargain. Temperatures at 23 and the wind chill is still down near 10, but it is an elevation in the temperatures that will continue tonight as this warm front pushes east. As we add clouds and we actually begin to see the temperatures rise tonight, we might get a pop of a couple of snow showers overnight or definitely before dawn, and then the temperatures are set to keep tracking up. So the Arctic air is retreating for now. The jet stream just briefly flattening out, but here comes the polar branch of the jet stream, and behind it will be substantially colder air entering the weekend. So tomorrow, as we open the day up with temperatures climbing into the upper 20s, that quick burst of snow is possible in the morning. But by afternoon, the winds are out of the south and west. The temperatures are climbing back above the 40-degree mark. And then the first of 2 cold fronts before the weekend begins will be moving in tomorrow night. Temperatures are going to get cooler on Thursday. And then eventually, even more of this Arctic air pours in behind a front on Friday. Temperatures are expected to fall on Friday. The Arctic air is actually going to overtake and spread across much of the eastern 2/3 of the nation, making it well into the deep south and setting this up for moisture that comes out of the southwestern U.S. Storm system could lay down significant icing in the deep south. We'll be on the northern fringe of that system with potential snow here. And still to be determined again is the track of that area of low pressure. If it moves a little further north, we'll be more in line to see more significant snowfall. So we're watching that carefully, but it certainly is going to be very, very cold, and it could get very interesting with that southern storm. Tonight, the temperatures will start to rise. We will get a burst of snow in the morning. The warm front passes. The temperatures climb to 42, but winds shift again Wednesday night. It turns colder on Thursday. Then the Arctic front hits on Friday. This is daybreak temperatures around 18. We will fall into the single digits, perhaps go below zero Saturday morning, and then bring potentially some snow in Saturday evening, Saturday night, into Sunday morning. We'll watch that southern system, and we're going to keep it very, very cold well into next week.